Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good morning, kids. My name is Teacher Amal. Today, I'm going to teach you to some cleaning materials that usually used in your household. Okay, so let's start. I will wash the dishes with a sponge. I am sweeping the dried leaves with a broomstick. I am gathering dust and garbage with a dustpan. What household material can be used to wipe dust and dirt? It is cloth. What should you use to wipe the wet floor? You should using the mop. Okay kids, our lesson has finished today. I will see you in my next video with a new lesson. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.